Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I have another new wig. It's kind of like a cool tone highlighted look. I don't know how to describe it, but I wanted something with like highlights and cool tone and ashy, and this was the look that was retrieved. So the hair is by Asteria hair. They sent me a 13 by 6 HD lace wig. So it's a lace front wig, and it was originally a 1B hair, but I wanted to colour it. Again, just wanted something different. The hair was coloured by EA Hair. I'll put her info in the description box as usual. If you want to see how I install this wig, then keep on watching. So this is the colour that she created. I wanted something that kind of had like highlights, but still looked cool tone. So she created this look for me. I haven't worn anything like this. And I think I showed her a picture and I was like, I want it to look like this. So I thought, let me I guess show you how I put it on as I'm getting ready. Usually I get ready with my wig on first and then my makeup, but you know, this is a 13 by 6 body wave, so it came as a body wave color 1B, and then I had her color and tone the hair. So I think it's 26 inches of hair, 250% density. You've seen me do this plenty of times, so I know you know how this goes. I'm just gonna literally just speed up and just lay this frontal. So yeah, the lace is HD. I can feel it does look very thin, and it's practically blending in. I haven't added the lace tint. The lace is practically here, and I can't see it. So that's pretty good. The hair quality itself is actually very good. Very impressed, and I have used Asteria hair before, and I have been happy with their quality of hair.